Number 10. Malayan Colugo. The Sunda or Malayan Colugo is the broadest class Galeopterus. It happens in pieces of southern Myanmar and southern Thailand, restricted areas of Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam, and has a broad reach in peninsular Malaysia, Singapore and Sumatra, where reasonable timberland actually exists. Colugos have huge eyes, brilliant night vision, little ears and sharp noses. A portion of its teeth are uncommon. For instance, the lower incisors point outwards and are brush-like in structure. Their eating routine incorporates leaves and youthful shoots. During the day, colugos lay primarily on tree trunks, for the most part high up. However, in some cases only 3 meters or so from the beginning. May likewise utilize tree openings at sunset. They become dynamic, coasting from one tree to another to take care of females, convey a solitary youthful, seldom twins, which grips under while perching. The youthful frequently jab their head out from underneath the female in flight. Number 9. Venezuelan Poodle Moth. The new type of moth, called the Venezuelan poodle moth, is all in all a secret. It was founded in 2009 by zoologist Dr. Arthur Anker of Bishkek, a city in Kyrgyzstan. When the Venezuelan poodle moth was found or spotted, Dr. Arthur Anker snapped a picture of this new species. Many found out if the new types of Venezuelan poodle moth were genuine or not. While there are cynics, numerous analysts accept it as genuine and has a place with the variety. Arcase zoologist Arthur Anker found the species when he was visiting the Canaima Public Park in Gran Sabana of Venezuela. In any case, when different scientists visited similar regions, they couldn't track down the species, and subsequently it remained totally understudied. Since Arthur was a bona fide zoologist, the photos were thought of as certifiable. In the event that you are entranced by this astonishing moth, read on to track down more Venezuelan poodle moth realities. Number 8. Emperor Tamarin. Emperor tamarins are small monkeys with long white whiskers that sweep back from the muzzle on both sides and look like mustaches. It is believed that they were named after the German Emperor Wilhelm II, who also wore a mustache. They have dark fur on their faces and ears, and their bodies are primarily gray with small amounts of gold, white and red. Their tails are long and red like all tamarins. Emperor tamarins have narrow hands with non-opposable thumbs. They have long canine teeth and claws, rather than nails, on all digits except for the big toe. Emperor tamarins are native to the southwest Amazon basin, with a range that crosses Peru, Brazil and Bolivia. They live in a variety of wooded habitats, including lowland mountains and seasonally flooded forests. These tamarins are omnivorous. They primarily eat fruit, but may also feed on insects, gum, nectar and leaves. Number 7. Patagonian Mara. Patagonian maras are diurnal mammals native to Argentina. Their long ears and legs may look similar to hares, but they are actually rodents most closely related to guinea pigs and capybaras. Their social structure is unusual among mammals. Besides using communal burrows for young pups, monogamous pairs will defend their territory from other couples until resources are depleted and they move to a new area. Since they spend over 1/3 of their day grazing, their teeth grow continuously throughout their lives. In response to the constant wear, their large ears help them hear predators and regulate their body temperature, while their long limbs are well suited for running, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. When alone, they weigh between 16 to 20 pounds, with males being slightly larger than females. Monogamous bonded pairs live and travel together, with the female deciding when to rest, graze, or move. Number 6. Highland Cows. The Highland is a Scottish breed of rustic cattle. It originated in the Scottish Highlands and the Outer Hebrides Islands of Scotland and has long horns and a long shaggy coat. It is a hardy breed able to withstand the intemperate conditions in the region. It is reared primarily for beef and has been exported to several other countries. Highland cattle live within a hierarchy system where individuals are ranked depending on age and sex. Older ones dominate younger ones and males dominate females. In addition, young males begin to dominate adult females, reaching the age of approximately 2 years. Calves born from the top-ranking cow automatically get higher positions in the herd even without their mother's initiative. Friendly behavior between the animals includes licking, mounting and play fighting. They are strong grazers, very skillful in foraging for food. During winter months, they dig through the snow layer with their horns to get to vegetation. In addition, when encountering a predator or a rival, they defend themselves using their horns. Number 5. Markhor Goat. Markhor is found in Central Asia. They typically inhabit open scrublands in forests. Markhor is a diurnal animal and is mainly active in the early morning and late afternoon. Their diets shift seasonally. In the spring and summer periods they graze, but turn to browse in winter, sometimes standing on their hind legs to reach high branches. Markhor lives in flocks that usually consist of 9 animals. These flocks are composed of adult females, and their young adult males are largely solitary. Adult females and kids comprise most of the Markhor population. These majestic animals have many predators, and that's why possess keen eyesight and a strong sense of smell to detect nearby predators. Markhor is very aware of their surroundings and is on high alert for predators. In exposed areas they are quick to spot and flee from predators. During the summer the males remain in the forest, while the females generally climb to the highest rocky ridges above. Number 4. Raccoon Dog. Raccoon dogs live in Europe and Asia. Though they look similar to raccoons, they are not related to them. The thick coat of these animals is a mixture of brown, gray, tan and black hair. It has a black tail and black stripe across their shoulders. Raccoon dogs have 2 dark eyes and ears that are similar to fox ears. In Japan and China there are few mangut or tanuki with a coat of pure white, for the saying goes that if you see an all-white tanuki, you can expect good luck to come your way. Unfortunately, these tanuki are rarely seen. Adult measures between 20 and 27 inches long. If you lined up 13 golf tees end to end, they would equal the length of a 27-inch long raccoon dog. The weight of an adult animal ranges between 9 and 20 pounds. As an example, the 20-pound raccoon dog weighs about the same as 2 average-sized house cats. The heaviest a raccoon dog can get is 22 pounds. Number 3. Blue-footed booby. Blue-footed boobies are one of 3 booby species found in the Galapagos. They are large, distinctive birds found along the eastern Pacific coastline, where they often nest on small islands with rocky coasts. Their plumage is brown on top with a white rump and black tail, whilst their underparts are white. Females tend to be larger than males and have darker blue feet. Despite their clumsiness on land, boobies are extremely agile in the air. At dawn, they take to the sky in search of schools of small fish such as anchovies and sardines, often foraging in large groups of up to 200 birds. Once the prey has been spotted, the booby folds back its wings, giving it a more streamlined shape, and plunges into the water. Dives may occur from over 20 meters above the water, and the bird hits the water at speeds up to 60 miles per hour, snapping up fish in its serrated beak. Number 2. Mangalista Pig. Do you think that all pigs look the same? Well, here's an interesting breed for you. Mangalista pigs are pigs. They are definitely a unique breed that can be really adorable. The Mangalista pig has curly hair that we typically describe as similar to a poodle. Once renowned as a lard pig capable of producing 70 liters of rendered fat, the meat is well marbled so that it is tastier and less dry than that from more modern breeds. The fat is also special as it has a higher level of monounsaturated fats, meaning it goes rancid less easily, which is good for long curing. It also has a healthier balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids than seed oils, which have become so popular in modern cookery. Number 1. Rhinopithecus Roxellana. Rhinopithecus Roxellana is found in calm wide-leaf and conifer woods at heights going from 1600 to 4000 m above ocean level. These monkeys live in mountain woods the entire year, yet they might relocate to bring down heights throughout the colder time of year. Somewhat brilliant monkeys in different species in the class Rhinopithecus are among the couple of primates that live in calm zones. These monkeys are accounted for to go from 570 mm to 760 mm in head and body length. The tail is somewhere in the range of 510 and 720 mm. The coat tone is physically dimorphic. Guys and females have brilliant guts, temples and necks. Guys have grayish dark on the scruff, shoulders, arms, back, head and tail. In females these parts are caramel dark.